It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing? I don't know what's going on, but these stores are crowded on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, a Saturday, a Sunday. What the heck is going on? The stores usually packed and crowded like this only during holidays, but folks are in the store buying up food and stuff like it's going out of style. I don't know. Maybe the Peppers rumors are true. Are we actually running out of food? Are people actually panicking in the stores trying to buy up everything they can get their hands on? I was looking for those Clorox wipes. Now, they don't have any of those. Now, you know we got all these viruses, monk pop. And I heard it was 2-3 more viruses, the COVID thing coming out, or they're out. It's out there. So I picked up some more masks. I said, forget this. Let me go and pick me up some more masks. They don't have any wipes. It could be because of, school starting back. And nowadays they ask parents to give kids, they ask parents to, help supply stuff for the classroom. So I guess parents might be buying up it might be because of that too. That is another reason why the Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, all that stuff is disappearing out these big box stores. But, maybe the rumors are true. Some of these peppers sound like, are you serious? That sounds crazy. We about to be, nuclear bomb dropped on us. Ain't no food today, tomorrow, yesterday. But now, what I'm seeing going on in these grocery stores now, I don't know, y'all. Some of these rumors might be true that these peppers are spreading about. The food is running out, people cleaning the shelves. It can't just be about school because, every time I go out, I notice the stores are so freaking crowded and people are ramming packed their baskets full of water, juice, all kind of food. I told you about the vegetable shortage in the store. So, and then, they ain't got no fertilizer. California got a drought. Well, they about to have a real monsoon or a floody storm, I guess, in September in Northern California. But in Southern California, we in bad shape out here. But I don't know, y'all. Food is missing. Now, some of y'all know I already been prepping and stocking up and storing up on food and stuff like that. Now, my diet changed, so I'm eating. I'm really in a serious food portion size eating now, and the salt, I gotta, cut all that sodium out and the sugar and all that stuff. I'm really not eating like a pig no more. Let me just confess. Yes, I was eating like a pig. I was eating too much, and too much of bad stuff. Well, I'm sweating and stuff. I don't like when I sweat. I ain't got my fan on. I guess let me see. I probably got the panicking and stuff. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I don't know. It's up to y'all to decide how y'all want to make sure you guys ain't gonna be starving. I don't think nobody gonna starve, but it is people, like I say, that eat too much of something and they enjoy their food. So a lot of folks will be out there buying up anything that's worth getting that's left. If they can find tomatoes, potatoes, cucumbers, peas, greens, and all other stuff that seems to be flying off the shelf. What's this on my chest? Y'all had a nectarine. Let me see. Don't worry about my dry ass hands, because I stay in the dishwater. But yeah, back to the point. I don't know. It's up to y'all discretion if y'all want to go out there and spend your coins. If you don't have a garden or you don't have a fully stocked pantry and you don't have the things you need, well, hey, some of you have to go out there and get what you can get. I guess people been listening to the preppers because, like I said, why these people ain't at work? This is like 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. These people are crowded in the stores, buying up all the food. Quit buying up all the food. I can't even talk, y'all. I need to stop. I need to be serious. Because I was buying up all the food when the COVID hit. Y'all seen my little stockpile. Go back and look at my playlist. Yeah. You know, I got this, that, and the other. Ain't bragging. Just letting you know. I ain't got to be out there. And now my diet changed too. I'm on fruits and vegetables, salads. Small portion of meat, because every now and then I don't even want to eat meat because I done had my, where I didn't change my diet. I ain't going to miss no meat, but I'll tell you, I'll suck on a bone for days. Give me a beef bone. Like my husband, he want me to cook some pork. He about to live his best life tomorrow. He wants some rib. Well, I'm going to cook it in the oven. And some pork and beans, barbecue pork and beans, and told me to make them sweet. He's saying all this in front of me. He want a rib, pork and bean, and the potato salad. He about to live his best life tomorrow. But I'm strong. But hey, I might. Listen, I ain't even gonna lie. I know one of them bones, I'm going to suck on one of them bones. Because I'm a bone-sucking mama. I love sucking on bones. That's, I ain't trying to get all the gristle out, but it's just something. What do people call it when you have a fetish? No, is it a fetish? I don't know. I don't want to be like I'm craving bones all the time. No, not so much a fetish, but when there are bones around, look, my mouth watering right now. I would like neck bones. Like I know some of y'all eat neck bones. Y'all like suck on the bones, suck the little gristle, whatever. And oxtails, got them good bones. But anyway, yeah, I'm sweating. Wait, hold up. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.